In the MyFavorito dashboard, it's very easy for you to follow all activities and transactions. Simply click on Communities in the navigation toolbar and select your community. Here you can see all the financial information. You can see the earnings of the current month, the total earnings, the funds that are open, which means MyFavorito has not yet invoiced them, unpaid earnings, which are funds that are invoiced but not yet paid, waiting for payout, which are funds that have been invoiced and paid and are now waiting for payout. And finally, you can see the total amount of funds paid out. You can also see a detailed transaction log that you can filter by timeframe, sponsor, or many other criteria. To review all of your payouts, click on Credit Notes in the navigation toolbar. Here you will find all invoices and credit notes.